Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys, reviewing and doing a tutorial on the new Soph X Revolution collection. Not just the palette, not just the lipsticks, I'm going to be doing the whole collection. So the palette, the eyeshadow palette and the 3 lipsticks I'll be showing you. So this is, I can't get it, I think we've got it. This is the Revolution and Soph palette. This is the beautiful packaging of the palette here. I love it. I love how it's a rose gold. The reflectiveness is annoying because I can never get it right, but I absolutely love it. I love the writing of this palette. I love how it's in like a matte like a matte nude shade so that it stands out really clearly and it looks really good. The main event of this palette is definitely the inside though. When I open this palette, all you're going to see is colour. You're going to see glam, you're going to see natural, you're going to see everything in this palette. Look how beautiful this palette, look at those colours right here and this side. I just love how this palette looks. I love the colours that have like been put in this palette. I love the names in this palette. Like one thing I love is the names in this palette. Most of them are named like after food, which is the only annoying thing because that kind of makes me hungry. And it makes me want these foods. Sweet and sour chicken is my favourite. Cheesecake is my favourite. Cookie dough. You're making me hungry. Like I said, I'm going to be showing the full collection, the eyeshadow palette. If you want to see more and see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I will be showing you these 3 lipsticks as well. Loving the packaging of these as well. I love how at the top it has her name, Soph X Revolution, and then this bit is like matte nude, just like the writing is on her palette. I'm going to quickly swatch these just now. This is the shade that I have on my lips, which is called Fudge. I'm loving this shade. This is the shade Syrup. That's the worst swatch I've ever done. And the last shade is called Cake. So guys, if you want to know my thoughts on these products, if you want to know what I thought, then keep on watching. If you want to see this tutorial, then keep on watching. But first, before you go anywhere, I want you to stay right where you are. Stop what you're doing. Because I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Whatever you do, subscribe. Down here or down here, wherever it is, subscribe to my channel. It's free. You won't regret it. Now, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm just going to get straight into the video and start with the eye look. I'm going to go in with Running Late. We're going to see how this looks. I'm just going to apply that slightly above my crease. I don't know why guys, but I literally feel like I haven't filmed in ages. Like, I feel like it's been such a long time, but it's only been a week. And I have missed it so much. So as soon as this palette came out, I was like, I need to do a video on it, and I need to like show you guys what this palette's like. But then I just got so busy and it was just crazy hectic where I was just like, I don't have time to do anything, let alone a video. So I did get this palette like last week. I got it, I didn't get it that long ago. It came out what, last week? I got it at the weekend last week? No, Thursday last week I got it. And I'm now finally getting around to using it and showing you guys. So it only came out a week ago, so that's not actually too bad. I'm not that behind. Already, I'm loving how pigmented this is. I'm loving how it looks. I am just loving. I know that this mirror is like really reflective, so if you can see my pajamas, don't mind me. I'm just like getting comfortable. Don't mind me. Next I'm going to go in with the shade which is called Cheesecake. Slightly underneath the first shade. And I don't know why, but the silver in this palette, I'm just drawn to it so much. Like it's literally just calling me. And I really want to go with it and use it. I don't think have I used the silver before? Maybe once? but I just really want to try it and see what it looks like. I might hate it, but at least we try it. I'm going to go in with Enchanted. Very pigmented. It's a very deep shade. It's like a burgundy shade, but it's like also got like a brown tint to it as well. It's quite weird. I don't know how to like describe that shade. It's like burgundy and brown mixed together. It's really nice. Something different. Okay, I'm really liking how deep this is looking. I'm loving that orange at the top and then going into those darker shades. I'm loving how it looks. Okay, like I said, I really want to try the silver. I don't know why, but I'm just like really drawn to it. It's just standing out for me so much and I just want to try it. We're going to put this silver, which is called Infinity. Let's see how pigmented. Okay. Okay, I definitely didn't pick it up properly at first, but that is pigmented. We're gonna wet the brush a little bit. That wasn't a little bit. Okay, so the brush is wet. That's a whole lot more pigmented. Okay, did you see that pigment? The only thing I will say with the silver, I don't know if it's going to be the same with all of the shimmers in the palette, but it has a little bit of fall off. Like you can see the glitter on my face slightly. It doesn't really bother me because I don't have my face makeup done yet. I can just wipe it off with a wipe and it's that easy. But if you do your face makeup before your eyes, then be careful with that. But I'm really liking it. Okay, so eyes almost done. I'm going to quickly go away, finish the rest of my face, add some lashes, come back, and then I will show you the lipsticks. Okay guys, so I'm back, full face complete, lashes are added, almost done, okay? So, now I'm going to go in with Soph X Revolution lipsticks. Now I'm super excited to try these, so we got cake, fudge and syrup. I'm going to start with syrup. So, yeah, so it feels almost like a cream satin kind of finish. It's like a cream kind of lipstick. I wouldn't say that it's matte. No, it's definitely not matte. It's more of a satin finish. It's quite nice actually. I like how it feels on the lips. It's really soft. It feels like it's really creamy. Not drying at all. It feels really nice. This shade on me, not too sure about. But I'm liking how it feels so far. Next shade I'm going in with is called Cake. Again, feels nice, feels soft, really creamy. I quite like this shade actually. I don't think it goes with the look that I went for, but I do like the shade itself. And the last shade I'm going in with is called Fudge, which is the darkest out of the three shades. Again, very soft, creamy. I think this is actually my favourite shade out of the three. And I think it goes with the look the best as well. Okay guys, so I've just quickly highlighted there as well. And now we have the final look. So, overall, eyeshadow palette, as I always say, and I've been saying this for a long time now, I am obsessed with Revolution. Literally obsessed. Anything that they come out with, I have to try it. Anytime I do try it, I fall in love with it and I love it. I love the collaborations that they have as well. The Makeup by Tammy one that they had recently, I loved that palette. Like, it was insane. I fell in love with it. Soph Revolution palette, again, I've absolutely fallen in love with it. The shades in this palette are like something so different, so unique. I love how colourful it is. I love how you've also got all the neutral colours to create like a simple glam look or an all day natural everyday kind of look, and then you've also got the shades to create a glam look as well. So I love that about this palette. I love the names of the shadows as well, although most of the names, because they're named after food, kind of make me hungry. That's the only thing. The lipsticks, as I just tried there, the first two shades, I like the colours, I just don't think they suit my skin tone. This shade I'm loving the most. Usually I don't go for like satin cream finish, I always go for like a matte, but I actually really like how natural this looks. It looks really nice on, I'm loving it. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I want you to tell me what you thought of the collection that I tried, what was your favourite lipstick, and what you liked about the eyeshadow palette as well. If you like this eye look that I created, then let me know in the comment section. I feel like that was a quick video, but I say that and then I go back and edit it and I'm like, this is not a quick video. Like, Rhianne, stop, this is not a quick video. But yeah guys, I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.